Peeling section. The grabber puts the skin trunk into the peeling machine for peeling treatment. Coarse powder section. The stripped wood is conveyed to the crusher via the conveyor line for coarse powder processing. Currently, the moisture reduction rate of raw materials is about 5% to 10%. Fine powder section. The raw material of the coarse powder is transported by the conveyor belt into the anti-blockage buffer bin, then pushed by screw conveyor, and material blockage is prevented. The raw materials are conveyed to the grinder through the conveyor belt. For fine powder treatment, grinder is equipped with dust collection device. Screening section. The grinded raw materials are transported through a fully closed conveyor to the wet buffer bin. The uncrushed wet material is pushed to the loading pit by the forklift, then sent to the drum screen through the conveyor belt. The sieved wet material enters the buffer bin, and the storage meets the dryer capacity of half an hour. Drying section. A screw conveyor is arranged under the wet buffer bin to push the material. The raw material enters the shaftless screw conveyor through the conveyor belt and then enters the dryer. The dryer uses a 3-return drum process to dry the raw material moisture to about 15%. The dried material passes through the conveyor belt and the anti-explosion lift and enters the dry material buffer bin. Dry sawdust, dry shavings, dry shell raw materials, etc. enter the dry buffer bin through the conveyor system. The buffer bin is equipped with 4 safety functions: negative pressure dust removal, spark detection, linkage spray, pressure relief. Granulation section. Dry material enters the granulator feed port through the double screw conveyor. Raw materials are physically extruded to form biomass particles. Granulation section is equipped with dust collector. The dust-proof control room is partitioned by plexiglass, which makes it easy to observe the production condition of the workshop. Cooling section. Biomass particles enter the cooling tower via the skirt conveyor. Rapidly cool the particle to normal temperature. The cooled particles pass through a vibrating screen to remove the defective products. Storage section. Through the cooling tower discharge delivery to the finished product warehouse. The finished product capacity is not less than 4 hours storage and equipped with automatic metering function. Packing section. Ton package. Through the vibration platform to ensure the filling of the finished product. Small package. Accurately metered by automatic packing scale.